Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so every time I post a new video, you'll be the first ones to know about it. I'll wait. But guys, guess what? It's Andrew's birthday weekend. He wants to go to work, but his birthday weekend. But his actual birthday is tomorrow, but you know, we gotta celebrate all weekend. But I'm about to go fix this mop on my head because, you know, gotta try to look cute. So, be right back. Alright y'all, so I got my hair done for Andrew's birthday. We're about to go stop at a gender reveal and then we're gonna go to dinner. But we got like birthday weekend vibes. Can't wait. Alright guys, so I bought Andrew a gift and I wanted to like do the unboxing on the camera, but I'm just like, I was fiending. So he already opened it, but I do want to show you guys what I got him because he's gonna wear it tonight. But I was fiending. You know, like when you buy your significant other or your family, your friends, you be fiending because it's just like, I spent this money, they're gonna love it, whether it's money or something like very memorable. You be fiending, and I was fiending, so I already gave it to him. But babe, show them. Birthday boy. Show them the gift.
Oh my god.
Don't be annoying. Don't be annoying.
I'm so shocked.
Ooh, this is, listen, you gotta get into the unboxing, okay?
Okay.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Wow.
Ooh, and it just happens to go with...
Surprise.
Yo, shut the hell up. Listen, can you put it on so I can show them how it goes, how it looks? So ladies, you can buy this for your man and he can wear it either to the front or to the back.
Front.
Andrew, he's saying front, but he only wore it to the back so far. And then show them how it looks on the back. And then the back. Look at that, men's fashion. Okay, okay. But yeah, that is what I got him. And we're about to go to the gender reveal. We're gonna stay for like an hour to 45 minutes. Originally we were supposed to be in Mexico, but you know, COVID, so no Mexico. But yeah, we're about to get ready for the reveal. I will show you guys a few clips of the reveal and then dinner. Guys, so we just got to dinner and we got some prime margaritas. How are you, birthday boy?
I'm doing great.
So what I plan on getting is a little different. The menu is different, so we have to try to figure out what we're gonna get because what I wanted to get is not looking like I'm gonna get it, so I gotta figure it out.
Disagree.
We got our appetizers here. We got a crab cake and a dynamite roll. That looks good. Little cocktails. Alright, so the food. This guy here, Andrew got a ribeye, 16 ounces. I got some scallops, and I also threw in a lobster tail. And we got some lobster mac and cheese, truffle fries. This food looks so good. I cannot wait to eat. But I was happy that I remembered to vlog for you guys. Oh babe, your lobster mac and cheese look better than that.
Can I eat now?
Huh?
It's cool if I eat now.
Alright, you can eat. He acting like he ain't used to nothing. I cannot. I was contemplating on this meal so bad. I kept saying that I wanted lobster, but then I wanted scallops. So I'm just like, let me just get them both. I'm gonna be real mad when the bill comes because it's his birthday, so you know I got a treat. So dinner was really good. Andrew enjoyed his birthday dinner. We had a good time. We had a little cocktails after. It was just a good night. Now we're about to head to the supermarket because we got a special event planned for the weekend. So I gotta go start rounding up food for that because we're gonna cook, we're hosting. So that is what we're gonna do today. I think Andrew's gonna make some Mexican food today. We got some avocados that's gonna go bad soon, so we gotta make that. And I think we're gonna have like a little Mexican bowl. I think so. But yeah guys, how was your weekend? What did you do? Anything fun? Anything fun? But yeah, if Andrew would hurry up and get dressed, then we can go.
Don't be rushing me.
Come on.
You're rushing me, okay? Rome wasn't built in a day.
Anyway. But yeah. So how does it feel to be 31?
Feels the same as 30.
You didn't know I was gonna vlog you, huh?
It's fine.
I'm hungry. What are we gonna eat?
What are you making?
I'm not making anything today.
I guess you're not eating.
I'm not making anything.
Got some ramen noodles in there.
Oh boy. Ooh. So we just have to stop at, where do we have to stop again? UPS. Andrew's plant is getting so big and he bought a pot for it. But he was like, oh, now he has to buy like dirt for his pot. But I'm just thinking that you could just go outside and get dirt. Like, I didn't know you had to pay for dirt. Dirt is free. Why are we buying dirt?
I don't want this free dirt. I need dirt that has nutrients in it.
That's what they want you to think, so that you can spend money on free stuff. There's some dirt right here. What's wrong with this dirt?
I want that. Look at all the dog poop in it.
Listen.
I don't want that.
Listen. Dirt is dirt. So we're back from the store. I'm just gonna make us some guac. Can't wait to eat. You said those are not that soft?
Nah, so they're a little on the soft side.
So it's not gonna be chunky?
Might not be too chunky.
It looked fine.
You can feel it.
I don't want to feel it. we having tacos tonight. What we gonna have in our tacos? Some shrimp. We got some, what kind of steak is that? Flank steak? Flank steak.
Flat iron.
Oh, flat iron steak. And I bought some shrimp. Just enough shrimp. Because these are the colossal ones. And these shrimps are like, it's ridiculous price. So I got 10 exactly. That's enough. That is enough. I also got some shrimp. Oh, I just told you I got some shrimp. But I just seasoned it up so we can eat it with the tacos. Usually we have like fajitas, like, you know, the meat, cheese, like peppers and onions. But I don't have a pepper. So,
What's pepper?
so we probably gonna just have like onions and jalapeno. But we got guac, so. Are you making pico?
Yeah.
You are?
just told me to use the tomatoes, right?
Oh yeah, because I don't want the tomatoes to go bad. So, okay, so that's not so bad. A little bit of tomato. You know, I don't even know why I'm going so hard. When you go to restaurants, their tacos usually have like the meat and maybe one dressing and a sauce, and that's it. So I don't need to be so extra. It's just like, don't they usually be like that? Just a taco, and like sometimes they don't even give you cheese because, you know, real tacos don't have cheese. But it's usually like a meat, maybe a little tomato, like a pico with some cilantro. Or I guess it just depends on what type of taco you get. If you get like shrimp, fish, or steak, you know? He not paying me no mind.
Oh, you was talking to me?
Alright, so the pico is made. Fresh pico. And then we got some steak over here. I already seasoned that up. I'm gonna share it. This is flat iron steak. It's a little bit on the leaner side of steak. I like fatty steak, but this is good with tacos. Why are you giving me that look?
I like steak.
I do. How long until we flip?
A minute.
Okay, I'll come back. Oh, it smells so good. Hold on, friends. Trying to get the footage over here. I wish I could smell how good this steak is. Oops, you burned me, babe.
You got it.
I won't be. Look at that. Perfection. Can't wait to eat. The shrimps are all done. All done. Alright, so dinner is served. Pico, guac, chip, taco, taco, taco. Guys, it is the next day. Dinner was good. After we ate dinner, I think we just watched Netflix for a little while. But yeah, dinner was good. I don't have anything planned for today. Today is my last day off before I go back to work. Oh gosh. Listen, this up down, this up down now, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I'm trying to like conserve it. But I don't know how long this is gonna last. I'm on I got it done on Friday. It's Tuesday, so actually I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright actually, if you think about it, because these hairstyles do not be lasting with me. But yeah, I already go let me clear my throat for y'all. I already go back to work. I feel like if I was at work, it would be last week still at 2-3 o'clock, but now it's the next week already and I gotta go back tomorrow. But whatever, I don't hate my job or nothing, but I'd rather be home, you know. I want YouTube to be my job, but I ain't nowhere near that. But yeah, I think today we're just gonna do some laundry. We have some more shopping to do for our event that we're having this weekend at our house. But other than that, I really don't have anything planned for today. I really don't. How many more days you guys think I'll be able to hold on to this ponytail? It's actually, you know what? I'm doing better. I'm doing better. Look, see, I still got a little edge. Yo, this edge brush is stiff as I don't know what. I don't even think there's any water or anything that can get that back off, because that is stiff. Stiff, okay? I think I need to take the hair out and wet it a little bit, because it's kind of I've been twisting it every day. But I'll save that for another time. Save that for another time. But guys, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. You know, you guys are subscribed yet? I know a lot of people watch my videos and they're not subscribed. So if you are not yet subscribed, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. Subscribe. But I'm trying to think if I have anything else to tell you guys. I don't have anything planned. I can't. I'm over trying to travel this year. I'm gonna just wait till next year, because every time I try to plan something, I always get so disappointed. So I'm gonna just wait. Wait till next year when the world comes back. Oh, it's so foggy outside and gloomy. Oh. Yeah, it's a perfect day to stay in the house. But I think I have to still go outside. But it's very gloomy. But yeah, anyway. I'm over trying to go on these trips, because I'm always so disappointed when I can't go. So I'm just going to sit still and not do nothing and be bored. But anyway, if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. I need these subscribers to come. Come. But also make sure you watch any of my old videos. If you are new to my channel, I have a bunch of videos. I try to post at least once a week. I would love to do more, but I have a full-time job, so I can't. So I try to at least do my one video per week. So if you haven't seen some of my old videos, go ahead and check that out. I got cooking videos, I got a bunch of vlogs, a bunch of good stuff in there. So take a look. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.